Hey guys, I am Jared,
And I am Sean.
and today we will be talking to you about violence in video games.
Ever since video games first came into popularity, there has been a debate concerning whether or not the violence in video games affects people in real life to commit acts of violence.
Now there are two sides to this debate. One that says video games affect real life a lot, and one side that says that it really doesn't. So we're going to try to represent both sides here. We have here some research that will help us establish our points on both sides of the conflict, both good and bad, if you will.
Any links to research that we have obtained can be found in the description below.
On one of our research sites, we found that 58% of Americans play video games, and on average, there are 2 gamers in every single household that has some kind of console. So we can come to the conclusion that pretty much every single criminal out there plays video games, or at least most of them. And we can also come to the conclusion that people that never commit crimes in their life also play video games.
Whenever a school shooting occurs, the press and media target the killer's interests and hobbies to try and ascertain what caused him or her to commit mass murder. And more often than not, they always find links to video games and the violence contained within.
On the upside, though, video games have been known to increase people's reaction to everyday things, like taking tests, for example. People have been known to take a slightly higher average than normal people when they play video games. And people's vision can also improve by playing video games because they're looking at more than one thing at once.
The issue of whether or not games affect the human psyche is all a matter of whether or not we choose to let it affect us. We can't confirm nor deny the effects that violence in video games has or does not have on us. But what we can do is continue to research and try not to assign blame to either things until we are 100% certain that one is the cause of the other. Farsighted.